This is my homemade 2D sign. I made it from some metal plate and some offcuts, welded to a back plate, molded, just touched in with some small bits of filler, and painted. So it's doesn't look too bad. So I might attempt to do it on the loader arm. That one's not too bad, so I might try that. So been too wet this week to do the cab, so that's 85% done. So next project now is to start cleaning the wings of this. I've got the rubber to put the as a base. Is I think it's nitrile rubber to replace this crappy JCB stuff which caused the problem in the first place. So yeah, it came up alright. It's only scrap material. I cut that out with using an angle grinder, file, rat tail file, and sanding disc, flat disc to finish off. So well, that's it for now. The night is drawing in. There's definitely an autumn nip in the air. Unfortunately, the weather forecast for next week or so is mixed. So I don't know if I can progress this. The initial plan was to get the cab onto the machine, but I don't think that's going to happen. That's going to be about a week or two later now. Well, that's it for now. So till next time.